Yo, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Hit That Button. So we're gonna be doing times tables. So let's click on it, and I'm gonna be doing my 10 times table. So I'm gonna click it here. So yeah, so if I click play, okay, so 6 times 10 is 60. 8 times 10 is 80. 7 times 10 is 70. 12 times 10 is 120. 2 times 10 is 20. 12 times 10 is 120. 3 times 10 is 30. 12 times 10 is 120. 5 times 10 is 50. 2 times 10 is 20. 7 times 10 is 70. 5 times 10 is 50. 4 times 10 is 40. 3 times 10 is 30. 2 times 10 is 20. 11 times 10 is 110. 6 times 10 is 60. And 7 times 10 is 70. 9 times 10 is 90. So you can see here, guys, it says your time is up. You scored 19 out of 19. Brilliant, a perfect score. So, by the way, guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like this video if you like it. Goodbye, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.